What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will show you how to resize image on Photoshop without stretching it. As you can see, all the car's pixels are being stretched when I'm resizing the image. So let's try to fix that. First is to use magnetic lasso tool to select the car. So let's try to select the car first. Alright. So far so good. Okay. So after using magnetic lasso tool, just go to the select tab and save selection. So you can name you can name your selection whatever name you want. So me, I'm name it car. So after saving it, just go to edit tab and click content hour scale. Right there, content hour scale. After clicking that, make sure that the protect switch it to your save selection car. That's it. As you can see, when I'm resizing the image, the car is not stretching. And that's all for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.